Morning guys, how we doing? So welcome back to my channel. Just want to start off by saying fantastic, thank you very much. I have now just reached over 1,000 subscribers, probably a bit more than that now, we're a few days on, so thank you very much. Today you join me, today is Friday, it's raining and it's a little bit dark outside, so that means one thing and one thing only, it means I'm working, I'm in a truck. Something we are doing today is a little bit different to the norm. Want to take a quick look at what we're doing today? There we go, look at that behind me. There's his row of trucks and that's me here today. That's right guys, we are now on the rigids today. Got 3 jobs to do, one in Toddington, then up the Basingstoke and then down the M4 to Bristol, where we will be collecting on three places. It's all to load for someone else to take to, I think, Spain or somewhere like that. Anyway, without further delay, let's go and do our vehicle checks and get out of this bloody wet weather. Right guys, so we're just doing our vehicle checks. As you can see, everything here is working hunky-dory at the front. We have flashed our lights, we checked them. I did check the brake lights against my car. I couldn't show that because I haven't got all my equipment. So now we're just looking along the sides, side skirts, making sure this is all good. We know it's all solid, secure. I've had a walk round as well, and this is for the purpose of the video. All good, working. We have checked the tail lift. The tail lift is working absolutely fine this morning. I would be absolutely shot dead if I decided to not check that tail lift. Lights are working at the back, as you can see. Indicators, I know the brake lights work. I tested on my car when I reversed back. Guards, all good. It's nice, lovely and solid. Side skirts, all solid, all good, nice and solid. Wheels, I've checked the wheels already. I went round with my gloves on and put my dirty little fingers in to check the tread. All seems to be good. So with all that said, people, it's time to get going, get settled in this truck and get making tracks. We'll see you in a little while. Ciao for now. Right, and away we go. So we're just going to be leaving the yard, heading on to our first job of Toddington. ETA is approximately 30 minutes. Should get there for just after 7 o'clock, and then I forgot how bumpy and jumpy these trucks were. The accelerator. Right, we're done. Right, we are officially on our way, people. I'm not sure what the sound quality is like in this truck. I don't know at all, so enjoy. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, I'm really sorry, but today's going to be one of them days where we've got to do what we need to do, and I need to get certain stuff done. So that turning signal is so weird. Right, away we go. All right guys, how are we doing? So we're at our first collection. We've just done it. Couldn't show it I'm also going to struggle showing stuff today because I haven't got all my stuff with me, as you know, because I'm in a rigid. So I will show what I can, but just to let you know, I couldn't show any of that. But we are loaded, we are secured, and we are now moving on to collection number 2. Isn't due till 9:30, but we're going to head there now and try our luck and check our chances and see if we can get loaded early. Not only that, I'll get a cup of tea when I'm there. Over and out for now, people. Right guys, so we're just leaving this job in Toddington, and we're now heading on down to Basingstoke. So a bit tight there with the wall. Oh, doggy doing a poo-poo nearly. Well, I'm glad we got in and out of here early enough. Very kind of that man to let me go. Well, woman, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. It is. It's very polite, very nice. Right, slow it down, slow it down. Thank you. Such nice people here in sunny, well, rainy, not sunny, in silly, rainy little Toddington. Let's take this. Yeah, it's a lot harder in a rigid turning. Yeah, it's slowly coming back to me. Right, anyway, enjoy the ride and we'll see you soon. Right, so we are almost here in Basingstoke. Weird little junction this. Really weird little junction. How is your luck? There's literally a massive gap there. And now the cars have ended on the right, it means I can't go on the left. And when these 3 cars on the left go, there'll probably be a car on the right. Maybe not. Yeah, there is. I told you I can't go. How is the luck? We can go now though. Ah, it's weird this turning circle malarkey on these rigids. Still, we'll get used to it. Well, we have to get used to it, we're in it all freaking day. Right, we are pretty much here. We just need to make a left turn up here. And then, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get loaded straight away. Not that it's going to make much difference, if I'm being honest, because we can't really do anything on the... We can't speed things up really, based on the fact that we're going to be reliant solely on the last collection, and the time they want me there is 1 o'clock till 4 o'clock. But I'm hoping it's early like this one. This was ready in a jiffy. As soon as I got there, what we collected on the last job, on the last collection, was there ready and waiting. Right, so here we are. TSL, job number 2. Bit early again. Been here since 8:30. So we've got 15 minutes to wait now until they're going to let me in. Then we're going to load. They're ready for me to load. I've seen it. Yeah, they're ready for me to load. And once we're loaded, we're going to crack on down the A339 into Newbury, pick up the M4, junction 18, down the A36, I think it is. Cut through that way because we're not in an Arctic. Well, I think you can still do it in an Arctic anyway, but I'm going to go there and do it in a rigid and suss it out. It'll be easy if I get it wrong. When I say get it wrong, I mean I've done it once and I've done it in convoy. I've not done it with anyone else, so I'm hoping to do it on my own today, and we'll see how we get on. Should be fairly straightforward. Not predicting or expecting any problems, but yeah. So just to keep your heads up, guys. We are here, we are ready, we are waiting to be loaded. Shouldn't be too long now. the most important thing for today at the moment is we have a cup of tea. Most important part of the day is having a cup of tea. I love my tea. Any tea drinkers out there? What's your favourite tea? What's your favourite drink when you're at work? Not when you're outside of work, we all know it's alcohol. What's your favourite drink? Have you got any weird, funny things that you do in work? Any weird scenarios of where you do things? Comments, let me know in the comments below. Keep on subscribing, very much appreciated. Right, hopefully I can film some of the load. If not, I'll be seeing you when we get to our next destination, or when we're leaving here. Not sure yet. I'll talk to you soon. Right people, how are we? Are we well? Well, I've loaded, however, couldn't really show you. More to the point that I've got nowhere to put the camera, and it's a bit difficult, so because of that reason I couldn't show you. But we are now on our third collection of the day. Hopefully they can be ready early for me, but the fact I've been told between 1 and 4 means they won't be. So we're going to go and have some breakfast along the way, I think. Just stop for probably have an half an hour break, and then roll them down there. There's no rush to get there at all. As I say, 1 o'clock is my ETA, or they're expected, until 4 o'clock. So it is what it is, I'm afraid. You know, we'll just crack on and get on with it. So I will see you hopefully when we stop soon. Yeah, over and out for now, guys.
I think these plants make
And sadly guys, this is the end of the video. I just want to take the quick moment to say thank you very much for subscribing. Any comments will be very welcome. Keep the thumbs up and keep the views going. It's been a great episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as you can see, just arriving into the yard, ready to park up and reverse the lorry to go home for a well-earned break over the weekend. Talking of weekend, I'd like to wish you all a happy weekend. Hope you have a great time, and thanks for watching once again. And until next week guys, over and out for now.